Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and today next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And as you all know, extreme craziness is going on in gold right now for the last 2-3 days. Market is extremely volatile, nothing to say. Even the 5 minute candles are giving a move of almost 100 pips, 200 pips. So things are very crazy, extremely volatile, and right now it is better to avoid the market. To be honest, okay, I was not ready for this video. I thought okay, I would not make any video today because the market is extremely volatile and nothing to say. But still, okay, I thought that okay, now I should be coming live, okay, at least warn people that today they need to be extra careful because today is also the last trading day of this month. Last trading day of the month means okay, there will be extreme volatility or unexpected spikes in the market. More craziness may come. Why? Because see, the institutions, the big guys, okay, they will be booking their profits, they will be squaring off their positions. As a result, okay, there may be some unexpected illogical moves. Already gold is giving us illogical moves, but still okay, there may be more, so please be careful. For example, yesterday I did not trade. Today I'm not going to trade because I do not like this kind of volatility, and many people have made huge amount of money. Many people, actually most of the people have lost a big amount of money. So you please be careful. Okay, do not try to gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, if you are doing a job, then you work hard for 30 days, then you get a salary. So do not blow your whole salary in just few seconds. If you do business, then you work very hard to earn money. Do not blow in trading or by trading in a chart like this. It's my request. Okay, now let's talk about gold a little bit. Okay, I will not take much time here. If you look at the overall chart of gold here, okay, the market is still bullish because the trend of the market overall is bullish. But technically, okay, if you look precisely, as you can see, okay, there is a structural shift in the market. We can see the market is slowly, okay, changing the structure. Market was forming higher highs in the market, but now you can see the market is forming lower highs, and the formation of usually lower highs indicate a trend reversal. But we need to keep in mind one thing, that at this moment we do not have any fundamental reasons. Okay, so without any fundamental reasons, there cannot be a trend reversal. So whatever we are witnessing on the chart of gold right now, okay, seems to be just a profit booking or temporary move. Without fundamentals, there cannot be a trend reversal. Without fundamentals, there cannot be a bullish trend. So here there's a high chance that traders who made good money, they are just booking their profit, and it is quite common in the market. So if the profit booking continues today also, you can look for a sell position below 5100, the first blue line that you see here. You can look for a sell position below 5100. There's a high chance that market will be heading towards 5000 level. If it does, you can look for a sell position. Keep in mind, those days are gone where we used to go for 20, 30 pips, 50 pips stop loss. You should be looking for a stop loss of at least 300 to 400 pips, means $30 to $40 stop loss. If your capital does not permit, then please stay away from the market for the time being. You can trade on currency pairs, but right now on the chart of gold, tight stop loss do not exist. Please do not gamble. Okay, so if market breaks 5100 during the US session with volume, we can look for a sell position below it. What is the next support? The next support is around 5000. But I feel that because of the high volatility, market may go below 5000. But taking a sell below 5000 can also be very risky. Why? Because see, 5000 is a big number, psychological support. So there is a high chance that okay, after sweeping liquidity or after hunting down all the retail trader stop losses, okay, market will be coming up. If it does, as per our expectation, we can look for a buy above 5000. So instead of buying directly at 5,000, okay, I think it will be safer for us to buy when market will be coming up again. Then you can look for a buy above 5,000, go with a stop loss of 40 to $50, means 400 to 500 pips, and you can easily target till 5100. So on the chart of gold, these are the only two trading opportunities that I see right now. A sell below 5100 if market drops with volume, and after sweeping liquidity, we can look for a buy above 5,000 level in the US session, because there is a high chance that market will be hunting some stop losses again. Already gold is in hunting mode. Already gold seems to be thirsty for retail traders' blood. Okay, so please be careful. Okay, and today is the last trading day of the month. Please be safe. If you do not feel safe to trade, don't trade. But at least do not lose your hard-earned money, because it's better to stay aside than to lose your money, isn't it? So be careful. Bye bye. Take care.